Dylan Thompson, Chase Motorsports, Coach and Trailer Sales, Paducah, Kentucky, showing you this 2016 Renegade XL bunkhouse. So this one has 3 slides. It's got the bunks in one of the slides. 550 horsepower Cummins ISX15 under the hood with an 1,850 foot-pound torque transmission. So this has the 12-speed UltraShift in it. As you can see, full body paint, 12.5 Onan generator with 209 hours. This coach has been stored inside since new. It belonged to a gentleman up in Michigan, and incredibly good shape. So it's got the big awning over here on the curbside. As you can see, the slide out there with the 2 windows, that's where the 2 bunks are located. This one sleeps up to 6 people comfortable. It's got the full-size stainless household fridge in it, and on-demand hot water system. So automatic leveling, Michelin tires, extremely nice condition. The paint is very clean. Just a few rock chips maybe on the front bumper, if anything, but super, super, super nice for a 2016. 28,000 miles, keyless entry. Take you inside, show you around. All FlexSteel furniture. As you can see, this sofa turns into a bed. It is a queen size height bed in that. Got the booth style dinette, also a FlexSteel piece. In the kitchen, it's got the double bowl stainless sink, tiled backsplash, Samsung convection microwave, 2-burner, one of the true induction electric cooktops, tile floor. Floor is in great condition on it. The fridge, I believe, is a little newer than the coach. I do believe the fridge has been replaced before. It is one of the Fisher-Paykel, so extremely well-built fridge. Will do good running up and down the road. As you can see here, we got 2 bunks as we move on back with privacy shades. Each bunk has its own TV, USB outlets, and lights. TV, DVD player, and everything for the master bedroom. And there is a sliding pocket door, so this door comes over and actually will lock, and then it gives you full privacy in the bedroom. Separates the bedroom from the bunk area. This is a bath and a half. That's one major thing that I hadn't listed yet. So bath and a half floor plan. We've got Tecma, the macerator toilets in both, electric flush. It looks a lot newer than a 16. When I first saw the coach, I would have went for probably an 18 or a 19 with just the layout and the color and everything. And then full-size shower back here in the master bath, along with another one of the Tecma toilets. So give us a shout if you have any questions. Just want to do a quick walkthrough video. And again, it's got the 550 horse ISX15 Cummins in it, 1,850 pound torque transmission, the 12-speed Eaton UltraShift. Chase Motorsports Coach and Trailer Sales, Paducah, Kentucky. We buy, sell, trade, offer financing, and nationwide delivery. So I would love to earn your business, and let us know if we can help you. My cell phone number is 270-556-8461. You can check us out online at race-haulers.com. We're also on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. You name it, we're probably there. So I appreciate you watching and checking us out. Please let us know if we can help you. Thank you.